Hello everyone, welcome back. Do you ever hear someone say, "It's raining cats and dogs," and wonder what they mean? Or, have you ever been called an eager beaver? These are just a couple of examples of animal idioms in the English language. Let's learn the most common animal idioms, so you can make your everyday conversations creative and fun. Hold your horses. This idiom means to wait or to be patient. Example: the food will be ready in 5 minutes. Just hold your horses. From the horse's mouth. This idiom means information that comes directly from the source. Example: I heard it from the horse's mouth that the celebrity is coming to town. Fish out of water. This idiom is used to describe a person who is uncomfortable in an unfamiliar situation. Example: he felt like a fish out of water at the party. Shooting fish in a barrel. This idiom is used to describe a situation where success is easily achievable. Example: the salesman found selling products to the crowd was like shooting fish in a barrel. Wolf in sheep's clothing. This idiom is used to describe someone who appears harmless but is actually dangerous. Example: don't trust him. He's a wolf in sheep's clothing. Let the cat out of the bag. This idiom is used to describe revealing a secret. Example: I accidentally let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. This idiom is used to describe completing 2 tasks at once. Example: by shopping at the mall, I can kill 2 birds with 1 stone and get my hair cut at the same time. A leopard can't change its spots. This idiom is used to describe someone who can't change their true behavior. Example: don't trust him. A leopard can't change its spots. Get the lion's share. This idiom means the largest share of something. Example: my sister ate the lion's share of the pizza. There was hardly anything left for me. Lion's den. This idiom is often used to describe a dangerous or risky situation. Example: before her interview, she felt as if she was about to enter the lion's den. Barking up the wrong tree. This idiom means to pursue a mistaken course of action or to make a false assumption about something. Example: I think you're barking up the wrong tree. I didn't take your lunch. Eager beaver. This idiom means a person who is excited about doing certain work. Example: she is a real eager beaver. She never stops working. So, these are some of the most commonly used idioms. Learning idioms is a fun way to improve your vocabulary. Start using these idioms in your daily conversations and improve your language skills. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.